Hello everyone, if you need to master in English speaking, listening, writing and reading in all the four aspects, you should learn these constructions. Either or, both and neither no. Example, she learns either French or English. ඇය එක්කෝ French ඉගෙන ගන්නවා එහෙම නැත්නම් ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. Simply you can say she learns French or English. French or English ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. But in this, with the first, this one, exclusion is emphasized. Exclusion is emphasized either. It is very special. Second example, she learns both French and English. Instead of that, simply you can use, it is a simple statement, she learns French and English. Now this one, inclusiveness is highlighted, togetherness is highlighted, emphasized, togetherness is emphatic. She learns French and English means simple statement. French සහ English ඉගෙන ගන්න. Last but not least, she learns neither French nor English. English ඉගෙන French ඉගෙන ගන්නෙත් නැහැ, English ඉගෙන ගන්නෙත් නැහැ. Negation is highlighted to emphasize separately, alternatively. She doesn't learn French or English. It is a simple ordinary statement. ඇය French ඉගෙන ගන්නේ නැහැ, English ඉගෙන ගන්නේ නැහැ. Learn this and use them. You will notice them everywhere. Writing, reading, speaking, listening. If this lesson is helpful, subscribe.